Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the 2015 Jaguar F-Type Project 7, and this is by Hotwheels, and this is from their semi-premium series. This is from 2023. So you can see 3 out of 5. We did unbox 2 before, so this is the third one in this series. So let's unbox this and see how this one looks. So here is the card art. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting actually looks really good. I mean, the paint job on this one, it's a mild glittery green. So, so I do love this color. I mean, it never looked like this inside the packaging, but out of the box, it does. It makes a lot of difference. So, so to the to our to the carded collectors all over the world, I mean, if you really want to admire the beauty of it, just open it, guys. Life is only once. Enjoy it. So I'm really happy that I'm not keeping I'm not keeping anything inside the box. I'm just opening it and looking at it every time. Okay, so it does have headlight details here, which is really good. You can see the Project 7 here, the Forza logo here, and it has tail light details as well, which is really nice. Okay, let me. Is this paint? Okay, that is paint. So the headlight and tail light details are painted. So it has interior detailing to it. Again, I'm talking about this, guys. Look at the steering wheel. That looks like shit, to be honest. I mean, that doesn't even look like a steering wheel. It looks like a pizza. Even the pizza looks really beautiful compared to this. And pizza is beautiful, but if it is shrink down to this size, still it will look beautiful. Okay, so the body is fully metal, including the spoiler that is actually molded with this uh, body here, and oh my god. Okay, the chassis is plastic. The chassis has a very little detailing to it. Again, okay, it has exhaust tips here. You can see. Okay, so let's weigh this casting now. Okay, one more thing, it has grill detailing here. That is also really nice. .28 grams. It's okay. Let's do a roll test now. Okay. Produces a lot of noise, but it rolls. It does roll really good. Okay, so it rolls really good, and let's rate this casting now. So it has all the necessary detailing to it, and it rolls really good. So I don't see any issue with it, except for the steering wheel. So it's okay anyway. I'm not going to really nitpick on that particular thing, you know, because you are not going to take a photo like this. So 10 out of 10 for this casting. It's a beautiful casting. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.